Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you inside of Independence of the Seas. Hope you enjoy. This is the ocean view room, stateroom. So that's the twin bed. Then there comes with a sofa, a table, TV, desk, loads of storage space, so much storage space. Obviously we'll go through it afterwards. This is the cupboard, it's got a safe and everything. There's so much storage space. Oh god, oopsie. And then the bathroom, shower, toilet, towels, mirror, everything. It's got storage space underneath as well. And they also gave us tomorrow's cruise compass. All the information we need to know for tomorrow. It gives you the top deals, highlights, the shows that are happening, the evening shows, dining times, and then just general information that we need to know. So on the lift it shows you all the deck levels and what's on each deck level. This is the main dining room. There's decks 3, 4 and 5. Studio B is on deck 3, and here it turns into an ice rink and also into a laser tag area. And they show different shows. There's 2 shows that take place on the cruise. The ice rink shows are definitely worth watching. On deck 4 there's the dining room, which is on the back of the cruise. As we walk to the front of the cruise on deck 4, the first thing is Boleros, which is a small bar. Here you can relax during the day, and during the night bands play music. Then there is Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade, where there is another bar. There's many pool tables and other arcade games along with the TVs showing live sports. During the night the atmosphere is lively. Crossing 2 massive sliding doors we enter into the Casino Royale. As we come out of the casino, we enter Schooner Bar. During the day, there's activities from quizzes to jewelry making. At night, there's a pianist and singer entertaining the crowd. Right next to the bar is Isumi, which is a restaurant. Going down the grand stairs comes the Royal Theatre. Every night at 7 PM and 9 PM, there is a show that occurs. From bands singing 80s music to magicians to the play Grease being performed. The shows are definitely not to be missed. On deck 5 is the Royal Promenade. There's always something to do here during the day and night. On the right is guest services, and on the left was another bar called Champagne Bar. There's the Cafe Promenade, Ben & Jerry's, and also Sugar Beach, which is full of sweets, something the children will love. Walking along the promenade, there is the promenade shops, which include Michael Kors, Regalia and Trend. There is also 2 pubs called Vintages and Alley and Anchor. It's perfect to sit in there during the evening, if you are lucky enough to find a seat. Finally, at the end of the promenade is Sorrento's. For a quick snack, lunch or dinner, it's a great place to go. They serve a variety of pizzas and also offer gluten-free pizza. Soups and other snacks are also available here. During the night, the promenade has activities such as the silent disco. Further along Deck 5 is the Star Lounge, where during the day quizzes, bingo and Wii take place. At night, the lounge turns into a place for evening entertainment. There's also a small bar to order drinks while listening to bands play your favorite music. The promenade is buzzing in the evening, an atmosphere you won't forget. From Deck 6 to 10 is staterooms, so skipping to Deck 11, this is the Windjammer, where there is a buffet for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Every dinner there is a theme. Going outside onto Deck 11, we walk out to Splashaway Bay. Going up to Deck 12, there's a running track around the deck. There's also a perfect view of Deck 11 and the main pool, from which you can see the main screen where movies are shown during the day. During the day, there's also pool activities such as belly flop competition. Towards the front of the ship, there is a mini golf course. Around the sides of Deck 13, there's plenty of sun decks which can be used throughout the day. As you walk to the back of the cruise, there's a flow rider and 2 water slides known as the Perfect Storm. Access to the sky pad from here. Lastly, on Deck 13 there is a sports court where basketball can be played. Behind the court is a wall for rock climbing to get a much better view of the surroundings. On Deck 14 there is the Viking Crown Lounge, where there is a perfect view of the Splashaway Bay. From Deck 14 you must use the stairs to reach Deck 15, where there is an escape room. Everyone must have a go. It's hard but very fun. Like I said at the beginning, this is the main dining room, which is on Deck 3, 4 and 5. At your table there is the head waiter, waiter and assistant waiter. They provide you with the menu for the evening, which shows the starters, main course and desserts. Since all of us are vegetarian, we had asked for the vegan/vegetarian menu along with the main menu to allow a better variety for us. The food at the main dining room is absolutely lovely, as there's always something different. mention that this is Sorrento's, a great place for a quick pizza for lunch or dinner. They serve a variety of pizzas along with gluten-free pizzas. Other dishes such as soups are also served here. The Windjammer on deck 11 is open throughout the day for all meals. Before entering, they have a hand wash station. There's plenty of food here from Italian to Indian. Every evening there is a theme such as Indian or Mexican. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Independence of the Seas. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.